Man, how's everyone doing? Django here. It's kind of warm out today. I was working inside in some air-conditioned facility. Not my fave. Really like being outside. I think I barely broke a sweat. Ate lunch outside, that was fun. But man, not liking that air-conditioned facility stuff. I pretty much worked about 30-something years in one of those buildings. Multiple buildings, but after coming to Maui on a lava flow in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, kind of like being outside. I missed Highly Miley today because I was texting and driving. Okay, I came clean. Told you. So I had to take my Connie. My Connie brings you up through Makawao. And I was afraid I'd hit some traffic, but it wasn't that bad. There really wasn't any traffic to speak of. I don't think I even stopped at any of the stop signs. You know, it was like that. Everything just kind of flowed. It was a good day, though. I did a lot of lighting on the show I'm setting up. Mostly photographs. All photographs, actually. Setting the lights. It's kind of fun, man. You can shine them on different parts of the picture. Get things to jump out at you. There's some black ones, though. There's some pictures that are really dark. It's like a photograph under black paint, and then the black paint was kind of scratched away, so you can barely see the images. So, man, you shine a light on that black, and that light just gets sucked into the painting. Man, it's hard to light that stuff. Black frames, black images, white light. Still looks black. But I'm sure something will happen. I think I can get a little light to come out from behind the black. There's a couple of people back there, their eyes showing. White skin. Teeth. Stuff like that. That'll shine, but mostly black. I met the photographer today. Man, that coughing is bad. There's a volcano next door in the next island, and man, that fog is really nasty. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, some kind of particles of rock. I think they call it Pele's hair. It's actually just lava powder, really sharp. And it's pretty bad stuff, and there's no trade winds, and it's just blowing all over the place over to Maui. I just hope it would just blow soon. Once it blows, it'll be all over. You know, there'll be no more pressure, no more fissures and smoking and moaning. Yeah, just blow the whole side of that island off. I mean, it's already lava. Just blow it out, make a nice bay, have the ocean come in and be really pretty. So that's what I'm hoping for. And we'll see what happens. Man, there's quite the view of the ocean here, man. There's a little peak on some lava flow that I'm driving on a road made over the lava flow. And boy, you can just see that ocean. It's just sweet. Calm, blue seas, whitish blue skies. Yeah, that is some nice ocean. So yeah, there's really no one around on my commute back. I mean, this is like wild, man. It's like 1748. Everyone must be having dinner somewhere or jumping in the ocean, walking their dog. drinking a beer, telling story. You know, stuff like that. That's what people do in Hawaii because, the sun's down in a couple of hours. Not even 7 o'clock. So, man, once that sun hits the ocean, lights out. Dark as those paintings I'm trying to light up. Yep. 12 hours of light, 12 hours of darkness. That's Hawaii for you. In the summertime, you get a little more light, maybe 13 hours. But yeah, 20 degrees latitude, middle of the Pacific Ocean, top of a volcanic lava flow. Alright, I'll let you guys go. Really not that interesting today, but hey, it's always fun. And we'll catch you on the flip side, whatever that means. I think that's like a record player when you flip the record over. It's the flip side. You know, you have to flip it over to hear the rest of the songs. None of this autoplay stuff. But I like it. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet indeed. Okay, later.